Hello, speaking.
Hey, this is Lewis following back up with you regarding your fire damage property over in Savannah. We spoke, I think it was Friday, but you were in the car at the time. So I wanted to give you a ring back and see if you had some time to quickly discuss the property.
Sure.
Okay. Just to confirm, this is a fire damage property and you're looking at potentially selling the property in its as-is condition, correct?
Yes, correct.
Okay, awesome. Let me just pull up the file here. And you said your name was?
But it's in my mother's name.
It's in your, okay. Pleasure to meet you. Let me update this here. Awesome. Was the fire recently on the property?
Yes, May 5th.
Did you all figure out what caused it?
Undetermined.
Undetermined, okay. Everyone was okay, right?
No, sir. We lost my baby brother and his friend.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Very sorry to hear that. Very sorry. Okay. What's the condition of the home now?
Well, the insurance totaled it.
Insurance total, okay.
Yeah. But it wasn't the right policy. It was an actual cash value policy versus a replacement cost.
Yes, yep. Gotcha. Okay. What's the property look like right now as far as like the bedrooms and the living areas as far as the damages go?
It's total destruction. Well, the rear in the kitchen is where they had to tie down some bricks to get to the interior walls.
Yes.
Yep, and then the living room took a beating too, and most of the other rooms is just
got it.
Smoking water damage.
Got it. And the roof as well?
Yes, they had to put 2 holes in the roof to shut the fire down.
Got it. Okay. It sounds like it is accurate to say it's a tear down and a rebuild for the most part, is what it sounds like?
That's what I would say.
Okay.
But the problem was, like I said, I was trying to find an appraiser because I know that, that the hiccup is going to be, the offer what comes in because it's right there off of Runaway Point, right there off of President Street.
Right. Is there access to the inside or no because of the damages?
You can get in. The door is not locked. The door is damaged.
Okay.
And I haven't had a chance to board it up. And I'm working from out of town too.
Oh, you're working from out of town. Okay.
Right. I live in Virginia, but I'm down here now to get my mother squared away.
Oh, you said you live in Virginia?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you all from Savannah or no?
No, I'm from Savannah.
Okay. That's where my family roots are. So my grandmother grew up, her whole family is Savannah, and then my grandfather was Statesboro. If you're familiar with Statesboro, yeah.
I'm Savannah and Soperton.
Okay, yeah. Got it. Gotcha. Yeah, family reunions, sir, in Savannah. So yeah, familiar with it. Yeah. Because we may check it out just to confirm if we can salvage it. That would help, and then also be able to get you all a higher offer. If it's a tear down, then we'll get your offer based on that.
Okay.
And then it is open to the LF. Is there any warnings on the property right now or no?
No warnings.
No warnings.
I don't think. Yeah, the fire department even put a condemned sign on it.
Okay, got it. Insurance paid out. I know you said actual cash. Is the home paid off?
Yes.
Paid off, no mortgage. Okay. Let me just quickly confirm, if you don't mind, the property details. Sometimes this is incorrect online. Was it a 3-bed, 2-bath?
Yeah, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. I forgot the square footage.
It looks like it was about 1,500, if that sounds about right.
Yeah, and I don't know the lot size neither.
Okay, and it's open. You said it's open. Okay, cool. Do you have? It's not important, but do you have any photos of the damage? Like I said, we'll probably head over there, but
I could check.
Okay. So yeah. So you said the front door. You can kind of see the interior through the front door.
Yes, I mean it's closed, but you can actually get in there. And then if not, you can get through the back way.
Okay. So what we do, we'll get over one of our local GCs to check it out. Just confirm if it is tear down or if we can salvage it. And then based on our scope of work, we can let you know, at least from us, what the offer would look like from there.
Okay.
So you have that information. So I'll confirm with you once they're gonna go over. Obviously you don't have you or anyone don't have to be there. If you want, you can, but otherwise we only do fire damage properties. So we go over there, we're careful, and we're just trying to kind of take a peek and see only what we need to see.
Yep, we done over there, so you ain't got to worry about hurting nothing.
Got it. Okay. Awesome. So yeah, I will let you know once I know when we're headed over. It'll be most likely today, latest. I'm sorry. It'll most likely be tomorrow, latest Wednesday, and then we get you an offer and show you what that would look like.
Okay. And,
All right.
And the company you work for now again? Okay. Yep.
Yes, sir.
I found you online. You right.
Yes. Yep. All right. So let me know if you have any questions beforehand. I know you said insurance is done. There's no mortgage, so the process in general is fairly simple. They would just get the title work done, make sure there's no code violations, lose their back taxes. If the number made sense, the offer made sense, just get the title work done and try to get closed up in about 3 weeks. Otherwise, yeah, we'll see if the number makes sense for you all and go from there. I'll keep you posted.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Okay.
So, all right. I appreciate you. We'll talk soon. Yes, sir.
Yep. Thank you.
All right. Yes, sir. Bye-bye.